Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, da-da-da.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are at Ray Roberts State Park celebrating somebody's birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Yeah. Whatever.
So this is one of her favorite parks. It's a real close park.
Yeah.
It's about less than
30
30 minutes from home.
Yeah.
So it's good to have a state park that close to home. Because again, when we come in off long road trips, since we have a Texas Park Pass, annual pass, so we usually come out here and dump and do everything out here because it's so close to home. We don't have to worry about a place to dump. So we're here. Today's Friday. We're here until Sunday. We're gonna cook. We're gonna hike. And we're going to celebrate and enjoy a birthday.
We'll show you around a little bit later in the video, the lake area, which is just gorgeous. You'll see it, and I'm just amazed at how this place is so close to our house and just how nice it is. I love the trails because the trails are paved and they are marked clearly. And it's a lot of them. Just driving in, we already saw deer. So I don't know if you got any pictures.
Got a little clip of that. I hope it came out. But yeah, on the drive in to the site, we saw a little family of deer just kind of roaming around pretty early in the day. So it's pretty good wildlife out here. It's very woodsy.
Yep.
Ray Roberts Lake is a pretty large lake. And yeah, it's a nice park. It's a real nice park.
So we'll show you around a little bit. They have 2 RV loops. And then they have the tent camping loop too as well. And then at the far end is where the beach area, playground area, picnic area. It's just a huge facility, plenty of restrooms. We haven't checked them out yet. We haven't had a need to, but plenty of facilities around here.
Okay, the restroom. The restroom. We know so many people who have the Class B. We're part of a Facebook group for the Class B. And I can't tell you how many times people are saying that they don't use their bathroom. So they go to a campsite and they travel and they want to get to a place that has bathrooms because they don't want to use their own bathroom.
Yeah.
I no words. I have no idea why you spend so much money and not use a bathroom. We saw one person turn their bathroom into a storage closet, and I'm like, what?
Yeah.
The whole why would you spend all this money and you're going to use a bathroom that hundreds, thousands of people have used when you can use your own bathroom that's never been?
Yeah, because that was a must-have for us, was to have a restroom, because I'm very particular. And with road trips, when I told you before that the kids were little, we always traveled. We did a lot of road trips. And he knows that if the bathroom wasn't clean, we are not stopping there, because I would go in there and I would inspect to make sure that the bathrooms were clean. And if they weren't, it's like, no, we need to keep moving. So that was a big thing for me, making sure that we had our own restroom to use. So yeah, we do use it.
we use the restroom. I don't understand that. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna show you a little bit of the site that we're at, and kind of what we're looking at, because we're kind of looking out, you're looking at us. I'm gonna spin the camera around, kind of show you what we're looking at. I hope, okay, a lot of you have told us about the volume, and so I've picked up the mod adapter for the GoPro, which has the external mic, so I hope this microphone works a little bit better. We eventually want to get some of the wireless microphones, but this should also help with the wind noise as well. So hopefully we're getting a little bit better volume on this one, which will give you a better enjoyable video. So I'm going to spin it around and give you a little look at the camp. See you at the next clip. So guys, we are at site 132, and this, when we booked it, we did not realize it was a handicap site. So it's super wide. One of the advantages of the Class B is that you don't have to park like everybody else. So I threw this bad boy almost sideways. It gives us a little bit more privacy, so that we're not, you know, like everybody else sitting sideways where people that are kind of driving by. This is the road for the loop, and you know, we just get a little bit more privacy by parking this way. But wait for it, this is our view. So we have, I mean, this is a huge pad, but look at that view, look at that. We're sitting right on the water, got a little path that we are definitely going to explore. And we are all set up and ready to enjoy this birthday weekend. I'll fire up this fire pit tomorrow night. Tomorrow is actually her birthday. We're out here on Friday. She her birthday is Saturday. She loves fried fish, so guess what? I'm gonna fire that fire pit up and fry some fish. What are we doing? What do you mean where we want to go?
We're gonna just try this trail over here. I don't know where it goes, but we're gonna figure it out. It's a nice little trail. Oh, dear. Get him.
Well,
Right here.
look at there, people. We have visitors.
It's so cool.
We're starting out on our hike, and we've got visitors. Look at there, look at there.
They're looking for food.
What a surprise.
They're used to people.
Mm-hmm.
Because they didn't get spooked. They're just eating. This is the one we
Oh, okay. How about that?
That is so cool. I think they're used to people because they were going to come right up to us, I think, if we had food. But I'm not feeding them. It's crazy. They're just sitting to the kids. They're going to come back and get any food. Oh, I like that. That's kind of an insect. This is not a big spot, too.
Can I be honest with you? This is not going to take us to the beach. The directions are beach is that way. We're going deeper, unless there's some turn that takes us.
We've got two trails here. When we get here, there's a map or something up there, so we'll look at it.
We're lost. We're lost.
We're not lost. We're about
We just started and we're lost.
2 seconds from the...
We're lost.
We'll figure it out. Although Wi-Fi's a little sketchy. Nobody else is around. So what side are we on?
Not sure.
I have no idea. Now I really don't know where we are.
I told you we're lost. We're lost.
No, we're not lost. We're just roaming. That's what it's called. Because I like to roam. See, see what I can see? Okay, so this is the other side of where we see from when we're over there on that side, just day camping.
Mm-hmm.
This doesn't go anywhere down to the beach. To the beach area. Yeah, because that's that far side over there. Okay, I get it. So I get where we are. And if you wanted to go to that side, you could walk around. Now you probably could walk around to get to that side because it's low. The water is low.
Mm-hmm.
The lake is low. So. But yeah, we really wanted those sites. That would have been perfect.
Yeah, I think that's the one that, where that one right there on the end is.
There's several. All of those over here on this end. Nice. You need to be careful in the brush. Should we even go down here?
Yep, go.
She good? Uh-oh. There's something. I don't know what it is. Come out the other side. Yeah, you can still see where it's dried up at. And where do you think it was? Farther back over here?
Mm-hmm. Look across the water.
Oh, more deer. There's a whole bunch of them.
Our site has our own private lake. This is what we live for, people. This is what you need to do. Get out, enjoy nature, have fun. Doesn't get any better than this.
We can almost walk to the other side because it's probably shallow enough.
Yeah, it's dry enough.
Uh-huh.
Nice, nice.
Mm-hmm. I mean, there's a whole family over there. Let me see if I can take a picture. It's closer now. All right, Gary fired up the Blackstone for my birthday night dinner. Pre-birthday.
Pre-birthday night. Here's some sausage and onions. Some sausage rolls.
It was so good last weekend. We had some weekend before last at Bonham. So good. It's nice to see the deer. Alright. The onions. Very funny because we were able to walk like right next to them. Baby deer was a little bit skittish, but Mama could care less. Protected land. And that. It's right here pretty spread out too. Don't just ask what you I just did.
Take two.
Here we go.
Alright, almost done, almost done. Got the bread on. I don't want the people to see this. Get it all close up there. Go ahead and get that. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about, people. Got to get your Blackstone. If you're camping, you need a Blackstone. Yes, indeed.
Yeah, she doesn't. Well, all of the cooking. I have cooked before. I think maybe little things here in the van, but usually he does all the cooking. He enjoys cooking. And he mainly does all the cooking at home too. I can cook, but it's not my favorite thing to do. When the kids were little, I think I did a lot of the cooking, but now that the kids are older, I don't really cook a whole lot.
Alright guys, we're going to get these together and we'll be right back with the finished product. Alright guys, here is the finished product. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Yes sir. It's about to go down, people. So we're going to go ahead and enjoy this evening meal. And we're going to go ahead and sign off for the night, because as you can see, the sun is setting. And we're going to enjoy the evening, and we'll get back with you guys in the morning. Hey, good morning YouTube. Look at that sunrise. This is what we woke up to this morning. Fire up the Blackstone, get some breakfast in, and see what the day brings us. Of course, you know we're going to bring you guys along with us. So we will catch you later. Alright guys, fast forwarded. Breakfast is done. Today was a pretty hot day, so we just kind of chilled out for the rest of the day. This is late evening. And we're getting ready to get this fish fry going for the birthday girl. So once I can get this fire hot enough, got my setup here, and we're gonna get this thing going. So we'll check back in with you in a few once we get started.
All right.
Maybe it wasn't.
No, it was.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. We're getting some fish. There is Jabin, my oldest. Say hey, Jabin. Say hey, Jabin. You don't want to act right, peoples.
What kind of voice are you doing right now?
I'm doing you. Shut up. You don't act right, people. Oh, there's the other one.
Howdy.
Say hey to the people.
Hello. Hey, people.
They all came out to help celebrate. Let me go get the one and only daughter. Say hey again, Maya.
Hey.
We just had us a 2-mile hike. It's nice. We ran into a lot of deer. We took some pictures, but we didn't take any. We didn't have the camera at the time, so no footage, but we saw quite a bit. Oh dear. Then I have presents.
Not my cup of tea.
Here's your commentary. Well, I was just asking a question.
See people? See people? What I have to go through?
Yeah, ask a question.
Let's open them gifts before it get too dark. And you got
Oh,
your
yeah.
head wrap on and
Well, you know what? We know.
okay. Gift time, people.
Whose birthday is it?
Whose birthday? It's your birthday.
It's your birthday. Let's go.
Okay, this is from you.
Here's a card. It's made out of paper.
She's reading it silently, people.
Read it out loud. Come on, man.
To my amazing wife, on your birthday, for your smile, your kindness, your constant support and love, I'm forever grateful and forever so in love with you.
Aww.
I said
Aww.
that.
Aww.
The card said. I wish you a birthday that fills your heart with all the happiness you bring to my life every day. Happy birthday with all my love. Here's to many more adventures to come.
Happy birthday. That was so sweet.
So how did you know? 60?
Boy, please. I've already told them I stopped counting at 50,
Stop counting at 50.
so I don't count.
They're technically getting younger, right?
Hmm?
That means you're getting younger, right?
Well, yeah. All right, let's see what we got.
Mm-hmm.
My
What's
very
that?
own GoPro.
It's a GoPro.
Yay! More videos to come, people.
Mm-hmm. Get a second point of view.
Yes. Get what?
Get a second point of view.
That's right.
Mhm.
It's true.
Get the mom's view.
So be careful. Okay.
That's from us.
This is from Jared and us.
Mm-hmm. Get you some stickers.
I like it.
Sticker bomb anything you
I know.
want.
I like it.
Put it on the, what's it called?
Nice, nice.
Yeah, put it on the Yeti.
The other thing.
I hate to mess up such pretty paper.
It's not paper, it's a box.
Oh, there's more.
Yes.
But wait, there's more stickers.
There's more.
Huh?
Probably just, yeah, just tear it off any way you can.
I don't want to mess up the box. It's a pretty box. Pretty box. I don't like doing that. But wait. There's a picture inside.
It's the night garden.
But wait. There's popcorn inside.
Got you some popcorn.
That's not environmentally friendly.
Thought that was lame. Oh, shower gel.
Mhm.
Nice.
Some good smelling shower gel. Give it a whiff.
Oh, yeah.
It smells good, don't it?
It does.
Now what you're trying to say.
Sleepy, just what I need. Body lotion.
Mhm.
It's like aromatherapy.
Oh, yeah. Purple smells good. Like lavender.
I like
With your lavender.
And, but wait, there's more.
the bubble bar.
Ah, it's squishy.
Mhm.
You get it like a little bit wet. It's like concentrate soap kind of. You get it a
Okay.
little bit wet and it'll suzz up a lot.
Nice.
Mhm.
I like
Smell extra good for your after your showers.
That's right. I like. Oh, and another one.
Another soap bar.
That's so fun.
Oh, yeah. I like it. Nice. Nice. Thank you.
Yes,
Anything
ma'am.
else? That's it. Right?
That's it.
All right.
You get our presents.
All
Our
right.
presents is your present.
That's right. I just love family. They know I don't really like a whole lot of gifts.
Mm-mm. Just the basic stuff.
Just
you
the
know.
basics.
Just the basics.
I feel like I already have it all, so don't worry about it.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Very welcome.
Happy birthday.
All right, guys, we're about ready to wrap this weekend up. We have had a blast. You see the birthday girl here with all her gifts that the kids and everybody gave to her. We were kind of excited to have all the kids out and come and help enjoy the celebration for the birthday. But we were ready to wrap this thing up and head back to the house. So we just want to once again tell everybody thank you for watching.
Yes.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit the like button.
Yes.
Ring that bell. We appreciate everybody who has joined and subscribed. We're going to be bringing you guys much more content. We got about a 2-week layoff before our next trip. We're going to be heading to State Park in Oklahoma. And then that's when we will do our reveal.
Yeah.
Because within that 2 weeks, we're also having some outside mods done to the vehicle. So tune in for our next video, and we're going to show you what we've done to the exterior, and also kind of go over some other mods that we've done and talk about those as well. But again, thank you for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, guys. Take care of yourself.
Have a good one. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.